Birds don't simply fly, they perform an aerial ballet. Every movement in the sky is a masterpiece of physics and instinct. These incredible creatures use air currents with remarkable intelligence, gliding effortlessly to conserve energy. They calculate weight distribution with precision and adjust their balance in a fraction of a second, making flight look effortless yet deeply complex. Each bird's wing design is a marvel of evolution, tailored for its unique lifestyle. Some wings are built for swift dives, others for high-speed chases, and some for endless soaring across continents. This diversity allows birds to conquer every corner of the sky, from dense forests to open oceans. Flight is not just motion, it's survival, strategy, and elegance combined. Behind every graceful glide lies a story of adaptation and mastery of aerodynamics. Next time you watch a bird in flight, remember, you're witnessing a living miracle of engineering and art.